it's me, Dylan. I'm gonna do a tier list on the Smash Ultimate characters. First, I gotta go to Google Chrome and boom. Okay. Mario, I'll put him on the great section. The great tier. Kirby, she's the best. Or is it a he? Nah, whoever, whatever. Isabella, I mean, she's okay. She's just just that. Dr. Mario, I'll put you on great because he does the same thing as Mario, kind of. His fireballs are pills. Yeah, whatever. Dr. Bowser Jr., I'll put you on the good section. Donkey Kong, I'll put you on right next to Kirby because you're so strong. Cloud, never played. Banjo and Kazooie, never played. Well, I know them. It's just my Smash game's broke, and now I can't play that game anymore. Okay, resuming. Falco, I say he's good. Bayonetta, never played. Ice Climbers, they're okay. Wait, what was his name again? Oh, yeah, Captain Falcon. He's my favorite character, so I'm gonna put him on the best. Greninja, I'll put him on great. Box is okay. I'm just gonna put him on okay. Never played. Whatever their name is. Olimar, they're good. Whoever this is, I know I played as her, but I don't know what her name is. I forgot. I'm just gonna put you on good. Diddy Kong, good. Link, okay. Wait, no. The great. Bowser, he's okay. I'd say Bowser Jr. is better than Bowser. Duck Hunt is he's good. He's a pretty good character. I never played as Ganondorf because he looks like Shrek. A Link-defied Shrek. The hero, I never played as him. There's just so many characters I never played as. Ike, I say he's good. He's good. Inkling, I don't know. She's a new character in Smash, so I'll put you in okay. I meant good. Jigglypuff, she's okay. She's just there's nothing else to play as her. Incineroar is great. The Joker, I say he's okay. He's okay. King Dedede, oh, he's good. He's good, really good. Little Mac, I say he's great. He's really great. Whatever. She's okay. I'll just put her in good. Lucas, Lucas is okay. Luigi's stupid. Whoever this is, I never played as him, so never played as. Mega Man, oh, Mega Man's going to the best. King K. Rool. Nah, I'm just kidding. He's the best. Meta Knight, I say he's good. Mewtwo, I say Mewtwo's okay. Mii Brawler, good. And this is great. Mr. Gaming Watch, I mean, he's okay. It's just, No one really plays as him. Ness, I never play as this guy, so like I'll just put him in here. Pac-Man, oh, he's good. He's good in the game. He's good in his game, but not really good in Smash. Whoever this is, she's okay. Peach, you know I never played. Daisy, never played. Pikachu, oh, I won with Pikachu. And I said, that's impossible. Pikachu, same tier as Pikachu. Pit's okay. Dark Pit's better than Pit. Piranha Plant is like, Piranha Pit $6, so none of you probably played as him, but I have. I bought him with my game money, so I'm gonna put him in good because he's really good. Well, he's one of my favorite characters, so probably in the best, but no, I'm gonna put him in good. Pokemon Trainer, no one ever played as him. Squirtle, good. Charizard, the best. Charizard's the best. I'll just put it. Ivysaur's okay. Ridley is new and he's big and he actually better than all the best. He's like the ultimate. He's like the ultimate, so let's just put him away. Let's just put him the best right now. Rob, oh, he's great. He's okay. Well, yeah, he's great. He's great. Robin, he's boring. Almost boring. Rosalina and Luna, it's like a duo, so that's pretty great. Roy's boring. But I'm just gonna put him never played because I never played as him. What's his name again? Whatever, so I'm just gonna put you in good because I played as him, but okay, Ryu, you're great. Ken, I'll just put you in good. Samus, I'll put you in the best. Dark Samus, the best. Whatever his name is, or her, good. Shulk, oh, I love this guy. I'll put him in there. Simon, he's good. Richard, he's good. Snake, I actually never played as Snake. Oh, Sonic, oh, he's great. Never played as, because that's on like, I don't know, Volume 4. Wait, no, not Volume 4. It's Fire 4 and Volume 1. Toon Link is going on the good. Villager, I think is his name. I'll put you in okay. Wario's okay. Wii Fit Trainer's the best. Wolf, great. Yoshi's good. Young Link is okay. Zelda is great. Now the last one is Zero Suit Samus. And that is okay, so we finished the tier list, and who the ultimate is Ridley because I told you he's the ultimate. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. Okay, bye.